What's the most memorable video ad that you and your company produced?
Probably the Nordic Track treadmill dance. That was just such a huge scale shoot. We haven't done anything really that big of scale since. And we had 13 influencers, 50 treadmills. It was just monstrous and epic. We just haven't had a concept like that since that justified that type of scale. But that was fun. That was a really fun shoot.
Yeah, it's really cool the way you got everyone coordinated and rolling around. And like you said, one of the things I think is really impressive is the scale that y'all have implemented into a lot of your shoots. And it's really cool, really cool. What were and to kind of go in a little bit deeper into that, what are some of the components of that ad that you feel that made it really, really powerful?
The scale and the wow factor. Plus, it was a concept that had already been done by OK Go. So it kind of had already been proven to be somewhat of a viral concept. There was already kind of a nod to it in culture. And so everyone felt like it was familiar. Most people couldn't remember where they had seen it before. Of course, we did it far, far bigger. But I think it made people feel good. The reason, too, was Nordic Track didn't say, we need to make $5, $10, $15 million. All they said is we want to influence culture so that people think treadmills are not drudgery. We want to change the way people feel about the treadmill. So there was a very kind of qualitative goal there. Unfortunately, it did drive millions in sales, but the ask itself, I think, is what helped craft that idea. And back then, that was when we did a lot of viral video type stuff. And that was actually the first major production Chamber Media ever did. And it just happened to be one of our biggest scale type videos. But about a year after that, we started pivoting more to direct response. And with direct response, it's a little bit more spokesperson focused, a little bit more information focused. So you don't get really the same ability to do that. So even if you create some spectacle that's really big that captures people's attention, it's much more difficult to get people all the information they need in order to buy. So it was just that period of time where there was true virality happening, and we got to do something during that period of time.
Love that. Capitalizing on the native environment that you're on, whether that's YouTube, Facebook, what have you,